Manesar's highway surveyors are essential to the development of effective, well-planned roadways. To guarantee that highway projects are implemented successfully, these experts are in charge of gathering precise and thorough data regarding the land and nearby surroundings. Highway surveyors in Manesar measure distances, elevations, and angles with cutting-edge tools and technology to produce exact maps and plans that direct the entire building process. Highway surveyors in Manesar start their work by carefully examining the project area. They research the current network of roads, evaluate the flow of traffic, and look for any potential problems that might affect the construction of the new route. These surveyors are able to create designs that are both practical and environmentally responsible by taking into account elements like soil quality, drainage systems, and environmental standards. Finding the best path for the new roadway is one of the main duties of highway surveyors in Manesar. They examine a number of variables, including the terrain, the state of the infrastructure, and land use patterns, to choose the best course that will cause the fewest interruptions to the surrounding populations and be as efficient as possible. These experts are able to provide precise maps and layouts that serve as the foundation for additional engineering and construction work by performing extensive surveys and using cutting-edge computing tools. To make sure that all technical requirements and safety regulations are followed, they work in conjunction with engineers and architects. This involves choosing the right lane width, creating interchanges and crossings, and organizing the right signage and illumination. Surveyors help to design highways that are not only aesthetically beautiful, but also safe and effective for drivers by taking all of these aspects into account. In Manesar, highway surveyors are essential to the planning and execution of effective highway design and construction. To ensure the proper implementation of highway projects, these experts are in charge of gathering precise and thorough data about the land and adjacent surroundings. Highway surveyors in Manesar make precise maps and plans that direct the entire construction process by measuring distances, elevations, and angles with cutting-edge tools and technology. In Manesar, highway surveyors' work starts with a thorough analysis of the project region. They examine the current road system, gauge the volume of traffic, and look for any potential problems that could affect the construction of the new route. These surveyors are skilled in creating designs that are both practical and sustainable by taking into account elements like soil quality, drainage systems, and environmental requirements. The best path for the new highway must be chosen, which is one of the main duties of highway surveyors in Manesar. To choose the best route that will cause the fewest interruptions to nearby towns and maximum efficiency, they assess a variety of criteria, including geography, existing infrastructure, and land use patterns. These experts are able to provide precise maps and layouts